Hey guys, so in today's video, as you see, my heart has become a box. We are going to be fishing in Animal Company, but I'm not alone. Get down here, bro! Get down here! Get down! Hey, well, we have my good old buddy, pal, chum, buddy. Six. His channel is going to be right here. Yeah, go subscribe to him.
Please. Is gonna just change. The FOV is gonna be the same. So now, what we want to do is we're gonna want to go up there. So let's go. Give me your hook shot. Nick. I forgot.
Hey, dude, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, bro,
Alright.
get a load of this guy.
Alright, guys, we are actually going to be heading to the lake now.
Get a load of
Yo, it
that
has
guy.
cheeks! It has cheeks! No, you can't even see it in the camera. It's fine. I just hope you guys know it has cheeks, okay?
Get a load of this
Bro.
guy. Oh, bro, let's get our fishing rod.
Bro, where's the fishing rod?
Over here. You literally. Let me. I got the fishing rod. Elbow, you have to buy it from here. You dingus. Buy it. Buy it.
How do I buy it?
Pull it out. You have to pull it out.
Grab it and then
You
pull it out.
No, you have to grab this and then pull it.
Oh, okay.
We're able to fish now. Alright, so to cast the rod, what you need to do is you need to hold the trigger button and then like release it over some water.
What?
I'm gonna set up my camera mod right here.
Wait, what did you say again?
You have to.
Oh
my god! You have to like hold the trigger button that like allows you to shoot, and then what you need to do is you need to make sure that you will release it over a body of water to start fishing.
What? I'm kidding.
Oh, you rather know why?
Wait, so if I'm in third person and I look this way, does my camera mod still work?
Yeah. Why are you asking that? Hold on, I got a fish. Also, to reel in the fish, you need to hold down your trigger button and have the fish in the box. Hold on, I'm locking in. I'm locked. Bang.
No, okay.
Oh!
Let's go see what's up in your chat.
Let's fish more.
All I know is that feed me your fish. I got free fish. Alright.
Oh!
I need to put back my camera mod. Just gonna place it right there, Looky.
Oh
On my headset on.
my god. Now, hold on, where even is my boot? My bobber. There it is. Hi guys, so we're fishing today, and yeah, that's. Oh, I'm hooked. Oh,
You're hooked?
oh, I hooked in a fish.
I'm hooked.
This fish is a
hooked?
feisty one.
I'm hooked.
When you guys see that, it's literally like very calm.
Bro.
Oh my god, wait, I got this.
No.
I got this.
No.
I got this.
No.
I got this. Come on.
No. No.
I got it. Dude,
Can the camera mod see the?
Here's my token of gratitude.
Can the camera mod see any game?
It can see the dead fish.
Okay.
Anyways,
Bro, I can't.
Guys,
Okay, this is
we're
so hard.
doing hardcore fishing.
Guys, I'm sorry that you guys cannot see the minigame, but it's fine. And so while the fish is inside of the box, you press the trigger to reel in.
Well, that's what I've been saying.
You hold it or you press it?
Hold it! Oh
I'm
my
hooked.
god, I'm gonna lose this! No!
Okay.
It's all gonna be
Okay.
your fault. God, I
Into
lost
the
it!
minigame.
Oh. Hold
Hurry
on, wait a
up.
second. Let me just do something.
Bro, why do you have to press it so long? And when you get rid of it, it
Wait,
gets
wait.
down so
Please,
fast.
Dude, I got us an upgrade. Don't ask me how I was able to afford this, but I got us an upgrade. Dude, throw away that bamboo rod and take this basic rod.
Oh!
Throw that rod on your back away in the... I got a better rod.
Why did you get a better run, man?
Dude,
Don't
look at this rod right here.
How is the minigame still going? I
Dude,
can't even get it, you dummy.
dude, take it!
Oh, it's fine.
You dingus. You absolutely dim-witted dingle nut.
Alright, I'm gonna make it so you can see the mini game a bit better.
You dorgle stoodle McNoodle.
I'm sorry guys if you guys
You
don't like it,
blorby
but I don't freaking care. Deal
stordy
with this.
blordo storby. What am I even saying at this point?
What?
I don't even know what I'm saying.
This has to be like the best video.
Chabo, after you reel in this
I'm
fish,
hooked.
after we reel
I'm
in
fighting?
this fish, we're gonna go explore.
What? What?
Come on!
I don't see the mini game.
Oh no! Why do I keep getting dead fishes?
No.
Wait, dude, bro. Do you say we go we do a little bit of do you say we do a little bit of exploring?
Hold on, chat. I need to catch one fish.
Yeah,
have to.
just catch a singular fish. Also, I don't know why, but you're able to eat the rotten fish. Look, six, look.
Hold on. Hold on.
Look! Oh!
Huh?
Look.
Chat, I think he ate the fish.
Hold on, wait. Cinematic of Six catching a fish.
Hold up. This might be
This
tough.
is so cinematic.
Okay, we got this.
So
Ooh.
cinematic.
Ooh. Oh, let's go.
Hold on, wait.
I caught.
You got a boot. That's tragic.
Oh,
Hold on, wait. We need a close up on this boot.
A close up on the boot. I don't think we need a close up on the boot.
Close up on the boot.
This is
Well,
not
do you
nice.
say we
Look,
go
I got a
dog
boot.
it and explore?
This is not a
with...
fish.
Do you say we
this is
raw
not a-
dog this and go exploring with no light and no grappler? Throw that
And
grappler
where?
away. Throw that glap. Why did you throw the
grappler?
rod away? Oh wait, no, that was the bad rod.
No, this is the good rod.
No, it's the bad rod. It's the bamboo run.
Mine is in the water. A good one? I don't know.
Hey, bro, hold on. I'm gonna go release this into the wild. Guys, you are going to see the most saddest thing in the world of the sadness. You will see the grappler go on its last adventure. Guys, say goodbye to the grappler. Hold on.
Where'd you go?
Wait! Look at this. Say goodbye to the grappler. This is the sadness of the sad ever.
Okay.
I had to release the grappler back into the wild.
The Glappler.
Yeah, the gappler. Anyways, do you say we go exploring into that very bad looking cave?
Bet. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, hold on. First person.
Yeah, turn it into first person.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's go in there.
Alright, let's
Actually,
go.
how about let's raw dog it with nothing?
You said that already.
Let's go.
Due to hazardous biomechanic experiment.
I don't care.
Yo, you're going too fast. I'm far.
Yo, this is dark.
Yo.
This is so dark.
Chat. It's too dark.
Oh,
there
this is scary. I see eyes.
How did you get over there?
Dude, it's simple. Dude, just jump over here. See, wasn't that hard? I'm gonna go jump him. Oh. Oh. What the? He's Jaws. Wait, I think I have a purpose for the rotten fish. How about we fish for rotten fish and then feed it to the giant rotting fish?
Okay.
Okay, I immediately got something. Come on. Oh, it's a license plate. Look. Oh wait, go underwater to read it. Go underwater to read it. This says fishy. Wait, feed it to this guy. Wait, because you have the rotting fish, this guy opened.
Wait, no. Help!
Get over here. Oh, we're going inside him. Go inside this giant guy.
No! No!
No!
He's so slippery.
Come on. Wait, come up here. Get up here.
No!
Come on, you got this. Just believe in yourself.
Yeah, I got it. No, I don't. Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Let's continue forth. Oh, what are you? You should jump into him. You should jump. Oh.
I think I died.
Yeah, you might have died.
I think I died, guys.
Hold on, wait. I need to see if the outcome is different.
I think it would be. Yeah, I don't think it was anything.
Alright, guys, I'm back alive.
Chad, we got this. We gotta go. Guys.
Holy obstacle course in Roblox?
Holy crap! This is insanely.
Holy! Don't fall into the 15 pregnant hyenas.
I almost fell.
Don't fall into this megalodon's stomach acids. No.
Bro, why does bro have gears?
Why does bro have batteries in him?
Stomach.
That's the bigger question. Why does bro have batteries?
I don't know, man.
Oh, it's the parasite. You parasite.
Oh, you got a parasite. Guys, I hear machines. What?
It's the pla from the reactor.
I chose it.
All we know it's from the brain. Oh,
Sorry.
there's
Are we
a
getting
big
spun on or
place.
something? Chat, are we in his ad now or something?
Nah, bro, we're in his spin. We're in his spin.
His what?
His spine. You dub. You dingus. You dim-witted knuckle sandwich.
Okay, calm down. I saw like purple gemstone down there.
Come on. You stay up here. I'm gonna explore.
That's not fair.
It's a VHS tape.
I'm coming down.
Oh. Get down here.
Better journey together, am I right?
Yeah. Yeah, no, this looks more gross the closer I look. Look, it looks more gross the closer you look at it. Big banana.
Big banana? No thanks. Hey, actually,
Let's
let's
continue. I'm gonna venture out into the stomach acid.
Wait, no, Void.
With the
Void.
stomach, huh?
What do the what do the
You
tapes
put them in a little machine, and it like gives you the permission to look at what map you're in, or to look at what map people are in. Also, this is safe to go in.
do? Well, I'm
I'm in the
fishing.
stomach acid. I'm being digested.
I'm catching something.
I'm being digested, guys. Oh
No! No! Speed! No! Speed! No!
wash my back.
Yeah, I don't think we should.
Yay! Clean my back. Clean my back.
Look at this little silly goober.
Let me off! Oh! I'm up.
Haha.
Anyway, you should get up there. We should get up into the
What's
green.
that?
Chambo, you're making some red zone behavior.
Get out.
No, you're in the stomach acid. He's being digested currently. Him noi, him yo, him yo. Him noi, him noi, him noi.
Chat windy?
Come on, guitar.
No.
Come on, I believe in you. You got this.
Watch this.
Now you just gotta make a jump. No, oh! Then just make a big jump up here. And then we go over here. We've made it here. Ah! Revive me!
Hey, y'all like my laugh?
Anyways, hold on, wait, we can go down. But what if we go up?
Catch you a bit. I mean, he is right, chat.
Yeah, I right.
So there's this. Oh shoot. Or we can go up here.
No,
If we can. No, we
please.
can't. We can't. Or
Let's go in the tunnel.
All right, let's go.
Did that tunnel
You can
down
actually
here.
go up there.
This tunnel. Let's go through here.
Um,
Let's go see what's inside of here and what the hell?
Content. Context.
Content,
Whoa!
bro. It says content. Oh.
I know.
Why am I being?
Whoa. Boy.
Wait, I see a golden. I see a golden thing. Hold on, let me just.
Whoa. What is this?
I see gold.
No.
I see a thing. I see a fuse.
I grabbed it.
Holy. Come on.
What are these?
I hold on. Let me get one.
No.
wait. These are bait buttons, I think.
These are what?
These are buttons that connect into the bait button at the fishing thing. Yeah, let's return into the mortal plane out of the cortex.
What the heck is this though? What the heck is a cortex?
It literally says cortex.
I know, but what does it do?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Come on.
Dude, you're rude. Anyways, I'm gonna try and get up here.
Wait, can we just? Is there actually something up there?
No.
No.
Anyways,
Alright, let's go
dude,
all the way
let's
down.
just fall.
Yeah, let's just go down.
Oh! We're here. And what are those?
Did you grab one of those things?
Yeah, but I forgot it. Dude, I think we should go back. I think we should.
Dude!
Oh my god! Run! Run out! Get out!
Dude, run!
Run! Run to the other side!
There's two!
We know! There's an exit! There's an exit!
Oh, dude!
I feel bad for you.
Dude, go!
Go! Go! We made it out! Holy!
What the?
As the hearts come out of here.
There's Megalodon.
Hold on, wait, what?
It says on the sign Megalodon activity.
Holy. Oh well, let's get fishing. Oh!
I don't see no Megalodon.
Yeah, but let's get the Omegalodon.
I can't get up. How do you swim in Animal Company? Animal. I said animal.
Liminal.
I'm gonna go check.
How do you swim in Limbus Company?
How long have you been recording for?
I don't know. Kitty? Anyway.
Huh?
Yeah, guys. Oh my god.
What is that gate? I hear something.
Hey. Wait. Once we're done with this, should we do OG Fun Monkey Burger?
What time is it?
Almost time to do a switch through.
Huh?
Almost time to do a little switch. It's like 6 or 7.
Void.
You're fishing now. You know, the viewers are now fishing. Bup.
Oh, nice. Why is it pulsing?
You got that one fish from SpongeBob.
Why is it pulsing?
Oh.
Guys, I can play now.
Oh, I got something.
No!
Okay, I'm thinking this is a dead fish. I got a fish!
Alright, let's go see where we can sell this if we can.
You will watch as we disappear. I just realized that I was in selfie.
I'm going to the lake so I can tell my face.
Wait, Bro, go to spawn. I'll show you the little machine. Well, now where is this guy?
Wait.
Aw, that's not working.
Pussy Void.
Ah! Look, there's a Maxine.
Whoop.
There's a Maxine.
The
Why
Maxine.
can't I
The
put
Max-
stuff
Max-
in here? Wait,
Hell?
dude, you have to put it in the Megalodon lake. The one that says Megalodon Lake.
Lots of maps, chat. Oh my gosh. Bro! No, guys, no! Oh, where'd it go? There it is.
I can't put them in. This sucks.
Yeah, chat, we were here. Wait, why can't you put it in?
I don't know. Don't ask me. So, I planned on doing a part 2. I planned on doing OG Fun Monkey Horror. But sadly, he had to get off right as we started playing. So, yeah, that's just sad. And epic. But, yeah. Once he is able to get on again, I'll make a part 2, which will be just OG Fun Monkey Horror with him. So, yeah.